Yeah, well, let's just talk about some of the monitoring requirements for ML deployments. So can you please elaborate more on this concept?
So for MLOps, we want to be monitoring for many other factors in addition to the normal ones, the normal health, system health metrics. One is memory. So you want to monitor your machine learning model's memory requirements and how is it changing over time. There's also latency requirements, latency measurements. How much time does your model take to make a prediction? There's also throughput. So how many examples can your model predict in one instance of prediction? So these are different metrics that are specific to machine learning models that are very important to maintain the health of a machine learning model in production. In addition to that, there are other metrics to look out for as well. The one is data schema skews. So let's say you're collecting your data from somewhere, and suddenly the data changes. Your column is the same, but the values in the column changes. There's a significant statistical difference from what the values were before and now, and that's also something you want to monitor. And if it's not what you expect, then there's a problem in your model. For example, let's say you're doing a weather prediction model, weather forecasting model, and you're getting data from a bunch of different sensors. And one sensor, there's a fault in one of the sensors, and that sensor will start giving you wrong values. That is the kind of a skew that happens in data that's very important to be measuring. And if you do see that, then that's a cue, a red flag for you to go back and investigate where the data is going wrong.